Hello, my people on YouTube and wherever that you are watching me from. I take this opportunity to say a very big thank you and also welcome to my YouTube channel. Please, my name is Edward Amwako, and as you see on the screen in today's tutorial is Photopea. Photopea is an online photo editor which has the features to be like Photoshop. So if you are somebody who have used Photoshop before, you could see that it has the interface and everything to be like Photoshop. So please, if you don't have a laptop or you don't have maybe a computer and you want to learn how Photoshop works, then this tutorial is for you. So those of you who have mobile phone or smartphone, you just have to log in. Just go to Google or maybe Opera Mini or any browser that you are using, and then you just log into www.photopea.com and it will automatically take you to this wonderful site which has everything almost like Photoshop. Okay, so I'm going to take you through how to understand and then use this site to do designs. So without wasting my talking, let's start. Okay guys, so you're welcome. Now this is Photoshop, which is in an online platform. Please, I am using my computer to do this tutorial, but if you have your mobile phone, when it comes to the right click and then the left click one, because the mobile phone does not have right click and left click, I will take my time and then show you how it works. So this is the Photopea, the online platform, and let me take you back to Photoshop. Okay, let me take you back to Photoshop, and this is Photoshop. Okay, this is Photoshop, the one on PC, the one which is on computer. So this is the one on computer, and then let me take you back, and then this is Photopea, the one on the mobile phone or the online. Okay, so you could see that this has file, edit, image. The one on the computer, which is this, it has file, edit, image, layer, type, select, everything over here, the menu bar. Okay, which is also having a home, create new, open. Okay, now let me take you to Photopea, which is the online one. Good. So the Photopea, the online one, you could see that it has home, which is having this device. This device, maybe on your mobile phone, it will say maybe your file menu. Okay, so you can see this is having a file here, edit, image, almost everything. This is Photoshop, just that it is an online one. Okay, so this is this device. This device simply means that if I want to edit a photo from my phone, you just have to click on it, and then, but if you are using it for designing like the one that I'm teaching you, okay, so you have to come to new, all right, or you come to file here and then go to new, or alternate Control N if you are using computer. But if you are using mobile phone, you just have to click on the, or tap on the file and then you come to new, or you tap on this one, new. Let's tap on it, and then this will show. This is where you can select. So you can see this is a template, okay, a background template that you can use for your particular designs. Okay, so if you want to design anything, this is a template for you. But if you want to design everything from the scratch, you could see that we have social, we have print, we have photo, we have screen, we have mobile. Okay, but if you are this tutorial is actually for social media, digital purposes. So you just have to come to social, and then with the social we have Instagram post, which is the 1080 size that we always use, or you use Twitter size or YouTube size. Okay, so which is 800 by 800 pixels. Okay, but we will use the Instagram post. Okay, so you select the Instagram post, and then you double click it, or you double type it if you are using mobile phone. But if you are using a computer, which is this one, it's the same thing. You just have to come to file and then new. Have you seen it? Or you just have to come to create new, and then this is the size for you. This is also having a custom size for you. Okay, 1080. When everything is okay, create new. This is the computer one, and then it has create for you. But with the online one, which is the Photopea, that one, let me take you to Photopea. This is Photopea. So I'm doing the two comparison, back and front. Okay, so you double click on the Instagram post, double click on it, and then this is the online one. Okay, this is Photopea. You have opened it. You could see that the tools are here. These are all my tools. We have the move tool here, and we have the rectangular select tool. You do just right click it, or if you are using a mobile phone, just press it and then, or long press it, let me put it that way. Okay, so these are all your tools. So just take time, and then this is your text tool, this is your shape tool. With the shape tool, just long press it, and then these options will pop up. Okay, all right. So on your mobile phone, please make sure that you take auto select, transforms, control. Make sure that you take them, you take all of them, so that this this 5 1 2 3 4 5 6, this corner or this thing around the paper will show. Okay, and Photoshop, because it uses layers, I am using my computer, that is what you see like that. But if you are using your mobile phone, it will show up like this, the one that you see on the screen. The one that I have circled, you can see that I've used some green line to circle it. That is layers. So you just have to tap on it, and then you are going to see something like this. Okay, you see your background, everything here. Okay, this is the opacity. So if you have not watched the introduction to Photoshop, just go and watch it. It's the same as this one, Photopea. Okay, so if I want to bring in any image or anything onto this, all that you have to do is to come to file, and then go to open and place, click on it, and then I am using computer, so it will take me to my computer. But if I am using phone, if you are using mobile phone, it will take you to your mobile phone where you have pictures, and then you go and select the background that you want to bring. Like this, if I want to bring this blue background, just double click it, and it will say loading, and it will place for you. You come and take the mark here to accept it. Okay, the same way, if you want to bring in another image, you do the same thing. If you want to draw any shape too, you just have to come click on this, the shape tool. Okay, and then your shape tool has been selected, then you draw it, you draw your shape. If you want to color, you just have to come to, as soon as you draw, on the menu bar, under the menu bar, you have fill, and then we have stroke. You see that the stroke is cancelled like this. It means that no stroke, but I don't need any stroke though. I need the fill color to be white, so I will click on this black one and change the color to white here. Click on it, and then you have your white. You get it, so beautiful. And then if I want to move this, click on move tool before you come and move it. Okay, you can expand it, all right, and then you do it anyhow that you really want. You can even rotate it if you want to rotate it, because you have selected. I said if you don't see this selection part around the shape, just come to your layer where you see the file. Under it there is a show transform control or transform controls here. Just take it, make sure you take it, and then the auto select to you take, so that you could see this round thing. Okay, so you just have to bring your mouse or your hand close to where you see that, then you try to rotate it. Okay, you can just rotate it, put it here. Okay, all right, and then if I want to if you want to copy this particular shape, what you will do is that the layer side, okay, I've showed you the layer side. Okay, so if you want to copy it, just press on that layer side, the one that I showed you, yes, the one on the screen. You just have to come here, then select, make sure that you have tap, okay, because you are using your phone, so make sure you have selected the shape one. Okay, and then you long press it. If you long press, this is what you are going to see. Okay, so if you want to color, you can just come here and then change the color, but we don't want to color, we want to remain it white. Now, so rasterize too. Okay, rasterize means if you want to edit the image, all right, or the layer. Now we want to duplicate means copy, so you just have to come and then duplicate it, or you copy it. I hope you understand. Make sure that you have selected the particular shape that you want to duplicate or you want to copy it. If you are using your computer, you would have pressed Ctrl J, then you copy. But because you are using mobile phone, you just have to select the on your layer side, then you long press it to see these options, then you come to duplicate layer, just tap it. You have copied it, then you just have to rotate it. Just tap the edge and then you rotate it to this side, and then you continue with your work. I think it's not bad. And let's see if I can bring in our car. Okay, so for you to bring in your car, please note here very well. If you want to bring in your car, press on your layer side, the one that is circled on your screen, and then this will show. Come and select, tap on the first layer, the shape 1, which is copied. We want the car to be on top of everything, so make sure that you tap on the layer and then you select the shape 1 copy, the one that is on top of everything, because we want the car to be on top. Okay, then you come to file, and then you come and open place, then you locate where you have downloaded your resources to. Okay, yes, make sure you download this Rira. Yes, the one that you see on your screen. Just go to Google or Play Store, Google Play Store, and then you type in Rira, and then this helps you to extract fonts, extract things which are in Rira format. Okay, yes, and then open this, come to this car. This is your car. Double click it or just tap on it and your car is on it. Okay, so you could see that. No, let me select the shape and then bring your shape somewhere here so that it will not show up. Let's bring it here so that it will cover everything. I don't want it to show, so you bring it somewhere here. Yes, I mean, this looks so beautiful. Yes, it looks so beautiful. Yes, that's it. That's very simple. Okay, so mobile phone, you are good to go. You can just take your time and then learn. Everything is time taking. Okay, so please don't forget to download the Rira, because without Rira you will not be able to get these resources. Please, I've said it again, I'm repeating it again. If this thing, the one that is selected, is not showing, come to your the top here. Make sure that you select the move tool, and then transform controls. Make sure it is ticked, because if you have not ticked it, I mean, you will not see that you have selected a car. You can see that my layer side, tap on the layer side. If these layers are not showing, make sure that the one that we circled, you tap on it, and then this will be showing, because our focus is on the layers. So the next thing that we need to do is to bring in the text. Okay, so the text, this is our text. We select the text, then the font. If you'll be able to use the font effectively, still the Rira. Yes, I keep mentioning Rira on the phone. It helps you to get the resources. So I think this will be of help. So if you want to use the text, you just use the text, change the color to, let's say, white. Okay, and then you start to type. Just type anything. Edis, let me say Edis rentals. Okay, you just can't click on, make sure you select the, then you try to open it. If you can even change the color of the, just take your time, just hold any part, the edge, and then open it. I don't want, yes, so if you don't want the font, you just have to come to this side, just come select the text, and then you have the chance to change the font. Okay, and then also let me chip in this, please, because you are using mobile phone, if you come and select the text, and as soon as you start typing, your keypad will show. Okay, and then you type in whatever that you want to type. Now on your mobile phone, you will not see this, the times and then the correct line. You will not see this. Okay, so your own is to come and select the move tool. Okay, just tap on the move tool, and then you have the chance to expand it or just close it up. Okay, but if you want to change the text or maybe the font, you don't like the font, you just have to come and select, tap on the text tool, and then you just change it, and then it says search or find font. Okay, Yes, so on your mobile phone the interface sometimes it looks different because I'm using computer to show. So that is how it looks like. Then say search for font. Automatically this site gives you sample of fonts, okay, but the font that you'll be using for this particular purpose, that's why I said you download Rira, so that the Rira will help you to use them. It will help you to use this, okay, to help you. So it says search, so I'll be using Morted, okay. Here this particular font, you click on it and it has changed. The same way, if I want to change the color, I'll select it. Just use your text tool to select this particular and then change the color to somewhere yellow, okay, then you are good to go. Okay, all right, so this is it. This is so beautiful. So imagine if I want to save my work, okay, just as we used to save Photoshop work, you just come to file and then you go to export. You see the export, not save more or not save as PSD, okay, export here and then export as JPEG means you want to save it in a picture form, JPEG, okay, and then you check the size. If everything is okay, then you say save. It will save it onto your download in your phone or on your phone, then you are good to go. So I think this platform will really help you. So please, the same way onto this Photoshop, how it works, the same thing that is the same as this online Photoshop, which is the Photopea. So please take your time, just go through. If you have any question, don't forget to just drop it in the comment section and I will do attend to you. Thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more content. Thank you. Bye.